Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a belt strap wallet. Now, this wallet is a 9.5-inch length wallet. It is a very simple wallet. It is made of leather. I purchased it on Amazon for about $11. It is a large wallet, open face, very simple. And I also purchased a leather harness garter belt. And what I've done is I've taken it apart to use the straps for this project. So if you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. Okay guys, what I've done is I've taken the belt straps and I have looped them over the wallet itself, and I've kind of like pulled on the strap to tighten it to see how it'll look. So I'm going to be basically using this method to see and gauge where I'm going to apply glue and then where I'm going to weave these top straps. And so just keep on watching. You're going to work on one side at a time. So you're going to position and space out each strap the way you want it. Glue the top side, apply something heavy on top. Once that is dry, flip it over and do the same. Now we are leaving these here and I'll show you why later. Okay, now that I've found the perfect positioning for everything, take a photo. You'll need your E6000 and a mask. Work in a ventilated area. You're going to start with gluing the bottom pieces first, since this will overlap. Okay, so I want the top part of this belt strap to be right on the seam of the wallet. And I'm kind of gauging it and making sure I'm covering this little grommet. And I don't want to glue this part down. So I'll only be applying glue to the back of this part, the bottom of this side, and then the bottom of this part, not anything on the center here. Now that I pulled and tightened, you're going to set a very heavy book and a few objects up top and let dry. So remember, just put a thin line as if you were going to do it on the center of the belt so that it doesn't spread out. And if it does spread, the glue, you can peel it off with a tweezer once this is a bit more dry. Okay guys, so I spent the last 10-15 minutes peeling the glue that seeped through the sides of the straps. It's a very easy thing to do if you use a little too much glue and then place the books, it'll squeeze out. Just pull it off with some tweezers. That will be easy. Now it is dry and it was placed under the books, so it is firmly pressed, and you can see that there. And if I open it, this is what the wallet looks like. It is very spacious. You can see all the credit card slots here. And then it has a few flaps there it's a travel continental type wallet. So it's a perfect travel wallet for you. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these straps. I'm going to be using my zigzag scissors for this. Now, if they're not even, that's okay. You can even them out or leave them uneven. I am going to be leaving one long strap here because I want to be able to secure it should I choose, just like that. I could also shorten it and make additional holes here so that it's not a long strap. Now what I'm going to do is I'm taking my leather hole punch and I'm going to measure the size of the existing perforation there. I'm going to take this part and take a measurement just by pressing the little needle here, giving me an indication of where to puncture. I'll post the tools and everything down below. Okay guys, the next step is, remember I told you to leave these little straps on the side and not add any glue? I'm going to tell you why. Okay, so this part I'm super duper excited about. This is the top part of the garter harness, and no piece of this item is going to go wasted. We're using this as well. Why? Because we're going to use this as a fanny. So you're going to be able to add the straps or use it as a simple wallet. Simple, there's nothing simple about it. But you could use it as a wallet just as is, or you can add the harness to use as a fanny pack over your jeans, over your outfit, whatever. If you're wearing it with some like boots, some leather boots, this would look awesome. And how you're going to do that is you're going to take the top part, and you see it's perforated there. So you're going to pretend that you're going to actually secure the belt and put it through just like that. And you could have it as high or as low as you'd like it. I'm going to put it through there and pull it through. In this case, I'm going to go a little higher to the highest perforation there, and I'm going to pull it through the bottom just like that. Do the same thing on the other side. I really love when a vision comes to life. Like, it makes me so happy. Okay, my friends, that is secure. And your fanny bag is ready. Look at that. This is so unique and so super cool and incredibly inexpensive. But if you bought this at the store, I can guarantee you, you would pay over $1,000 if this was designer. So yes, you're welcome. So this one has a lot of perforation. So if you have a small waist, it will fit pretty much any waist. It's actually rather large. So this is the completed wallet, and I hope that you all loved it. I'm thrilled at how it turned out. This project was not only fun, but very unique, and I wanted to switch it up from going to Christmas and rhinestones and embellishments and patches. I wanted to do something with a hard edge. Of course, we all have multiple facets to our personality, and this is very indicative of something that I would wear for sure. So if you like this project, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.